So go through these slides and just write down the names of what you see in the comment section, okay? Ndewo Kekime, how are you today? So this week we're just going to practice what we've learned already, okay? We've been learning a few words regarding food and other stuff in the house. So this is a time to practice how much you've retained, okay? So go through these slides and just write down the names of what you see in the comment section, okay? So you see a slide showing you different stuff, food and etc. Write the names in the comment section. Don't worry about the spelling, okay? Just write it. Ngwanu, okay? Ngwanu. Kain bido. Let's go. Well done, Jisikwike, you've done very well. All right, okay. So you can go through the answers. They are below in the description section. Just check your answers in the description. Okay. Ngwanukodi na squibo.